What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing 3 ways that you can actually make money with activity books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, recently I made a video about this software. This is called Kids Puzzle Books, and I love it because you can make dot-to-dot books within the software. Now, if you want to see that video, I will link it there right now in the right hand corner, so go through and have a little watch. But once you've got the software, or you can create activity books, there's so many different ways that you can actually sell those activity books rather than just KDP. So if you stick to the end of the video, then you're going to see one of the best ways that you can sell this, which no one else is actually doing. So with puzzle books, we have loads of different types. So if we go here, we got Sudoku, dot-to-dot, word scramble, word search, tic-tac-toe, hangman. So many different types of activity books that you can create and then go and sell. So the first way is obviously going to be KDP and selling proper physical books, because we create the interior, which is the puzzles. So we create the puzzles, the inside of the book, the cover, upload it to Amazon, and then we can sell it here, or upload it to KDP and we can sell it here on the Amazon marketplace. So this is one way, and this is the way that most people know and what most people do. But there's quite a few other ways that you can sell your books, different marketplaces that you can sell your puzzles on to make some money. So the second one is actually Etsy. So within Etsy you can sell printables. So all these different types of puzzles just here, which we have, the Sudoku, the dot-to-dot, the word scramble, all of these, you could make them and sell them as printables here on Amazon. So if we look here, there's someone selling this. This is dot-to-dot colouring pages. And this is actually selling for £9.73. And we also have this one just here, Unicorn Printable Activities for Kids, which is selling for £2.30. So what you could do, if you had the software, you could do a bunch for Sudoku, a bunch for dot-to-dot, word scramble, word search, tic-tac-toe, hangman. You could sell them individually or bundle them up as a package and sell them as printables here on Etsy. So that's the second marketplace which you can actually go and sell your products. And because it's a digital download, it's going to be pretty passive. So as soon as someone purchases your dot-to-dots or your Sudokus or your printables, then they have access to it straight away, and all they have to do is download it. So really great idea. Now the next one which I want to show you is one which not many people are talking about. So what is that? That's selling dot-to-dots over on Fiverr. So over here on Fiverr I've typed in dot-to-dot and we can see there's people selling these. So all you would have to do is create them in the software, or create them however you please. If you have a different software, then go ahead and use that. I like Kids Puzzle Books software, this one just here. But you don't have to use this, you can use whatever you want. But with all of these, you could create these and also sell them on Fiverr. And this is just another marketplace where you could sell all of these different types of puzzles, because there's going to be a lot of people searching on here looking for these types of things, dot to dots, Sudokus and things like that, and you can position yourself on here using the software to create these for other people. So just another great marketplace which not many people talk about selling your dot to dots or your puzzles on. So that's Etsy. Then we have Fiverr, and then the last one, because the first one is KDP, I'm not really going to count that because everyone knows we can sell our puzzle books there. But the third one is actually Creative Fabrica. Now, the other day when I was on here searching around, I came to graphics, came to KDP interiors, and then once I started scrolling down, we can see that there's people selling Sudoku on here. So let's just open that for a second. Let that load up. Print Ready Sudoku Puzzle Book, volume 176. If we go over to their profile, they've actually made a lot of Sudoku puzzles on here. I wouldn't create that many. Now, if we go through, let's scroll down, we can see, so they're selling the Sudokus, and if you had the software, you could come in here, create Sudoku puzzles, and then sell them on Creative Fabrica. So that's 3 ways that you can actually profit and make money from puzzle books. If you know of any other ways, I'd love to hear that, so drop a comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.